In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A07 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Start by opening Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Now tap on Bluetooth on the left and activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner. When you're ready, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the one you want to connect to. Then wait for the pop-up, and before doing anything, hit pair at the bottom right corner. Now you need to either wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or accept it manually if you are trying to connect to another smartphone or to a tablet. Either way, as you can see after a few seconds, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, click on this gear on the right of your paired device and check out all of those options: Internet access, rename to find it better. For example, you can change its name to something with an A letter and hit rename button for it to be easier to find on your paired devices list. If you want to connect to it now, hit connect at the bottom in the middle. And last but not least, to forget this connection, hit Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!